What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Nova Mosquito Night Lamp. Now this light is the solution to getting rid of mosquitoes and other insects. As I review this product, you'll find out how it does this, and you will know if you should buy the lamp or find another one. With that said, let's get started. So around the box we have information about this light. By the way, I will leave all the information about this lamp at the end of this video and also in the description of this video. Let's remove the seal and let's open the box. So when you take the light out of the box, it's wrapped in bubble wrap to protect it, and that's all that's in the box. So the first impressions is that it's smaller than how it is advertised. Let's see how long the power cable is. It's about 1 meter long, which is okay. By the way, the cable uses a USB, so any USB port can power the lamp. That means you can plug the lamp into your computer or your normal charging brick that's used to charge your phone, or even an emergency light. When I take the lamp out of the bubble wrap, by the way, I ordered a white mosquito night lamp. It's also available in black. Now I'm going to switch on the lamp using an emergency light. As you can see, it gives us an aesthetic bluish purple light. Now I'm going to explain how this lamp works. So inside the lamp there is a fan. When the lamp has been switched on, the light and the fan both turn on. Now this light supposedly attracts mosquitoes, and when the mosquitoes come close to the light, the fan sucks them into a storage box that is underneath the light. Then the light kills the mosquitoes or any other insects that has entered the storage box. By the way, the light causes no radiation, and the cool thing about these lights is that they never have to be changed. After some time, the storage box that the mosquitoes get sucked into will become full of dead mosquitoes. There is an easy way to get rid of them. The storage box is removable, so you can throw out the mosquitoes and then reattach the storage box to the rest of the lamp. So should you buy the light? Well, yes, I've been using it now for about 6 months, and that fan is actually not that loud at all, if you're wondering. And the light is supposedly not distracting at night. If you still have more unanswered questions about this light, comment them down below and I'll definitely get back to you. I rate this light 4 out of 5 stars. Well, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it or learned something from this video, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I release a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. All the information about this lamp will be on your screens for the next few seconds, then the outro will come after. Until next time, thanks for watching.